I'm Aaron Rose with RE/MAX Boone Realty, and I'm located in Columbia, Missouri. Columbia is in the middle of Missouri and, of course, the United States.
Today I'm proud to show you a listing at 74 East Southbrook Court. This is a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath, 2-car garage home located in the Southwest with brand new amenities and a lot to show you. So please step inside. Entering on tile and passing this closet are stairs to the lower level. Our living room is open and bright, complete with gas fireplace, and flows beautifully into this eat-in area. And this door steps out to our back deck and fully fenced backyard. Our kitchen, modern colors, beautiful granite countertops, brand new stainless steel appliances, and this pantry. Our main hall bathroom, bedroom 2, utility area, bedroom 3, our master bedroom, complete with coffered ceiling, true walk-in closet, fully tiled master bathroom with jetted tub. Landing downstairs, our family room is huge, perfect for entertaining, with these doors that step out to our back patio. Our 4th bedroom, complete with a walk-in closet, our 3rd full bathroom, and now let's step into all this storage. Plenty of room, and these John Deere doors step out to our backyard. 74 East Southbrook Court sits in a quiet cul-de-sac in the Southwest, offers a brand new roof, brand new carpet throughout the home, a beautifully updated kitchen complete with granite and stainless steel appliances, and let's take one more look at this secluded and fully fenced backyard.
Again, my name is Aaron Rose, and I can be found on the web at goarose.com. Again, that's GOAROSE.com. See you on the net.
If you like this home or any other home, realize I'm only a mouse click or a phone call away.